What we're not doing is losing sight of the services that we provide to customers. We've always been really strong in innovating, coming up with new ideas, really delivering kind of grassroots improvements. So we're continuing with those. And I've just put in an example that kind of nods back to our customer strategy and the principles. So one of the 5 principles was think about the customer journey and the bit before and the bit after. So don't just think about that traditional journey with you as an organisation. What happens before and what happens after in those grey areas can really define how a customer feels about what you've done. So we have a service called Making Every Contact Count, which is all about how we look after customers when we've disconnected the supply. And sometimes we have to for safety reasons, but it's not our responsibility to fix it. It's internal, it's in the house. Our responsibility ends at the meter. So over the years, we've really tried to think, what can we do that helps that customer get to the end of their journey, which is the gas back on. So we've come up with this. It's been 3 years in development. We've got a really strong set of referral partners across our network and a really strong mechanism now where all our engineers are trained to identify vulnerabilities, have sensitive conversations when we are isolating an appliance or the supply, and make the necessary referrals with that customer's permission to partners that we've got in place. And these can either be national partnerships like Citizens Advice or National Energy Action, or more localised partners that we have in each of our 9 regions. Just depends which partnerships we've set up. So we make that referral and then we follow it up. The customer care team will give the customer a call. Have you managed to get things sorted out? If not, what more can we do to help you? It's not our responsibility. It's not part of our regulatory obligations, but it is absolutely the right thing to do. And culturally for us, it's absolutely the right thing to do. So of course we would spend time doing it. And it means that that customer then is looked after right to the end of their journey, way beyond where our kind of interaction should traditionally have ended.